My name is Judit Vidak, and I was born in Budapest, Hungary. I moved out here to the United States in 1990 and met with my lovely husband. We have 2 children. They all grown up. I'm so grateful that I could raise them in this wonderful country and introduce them to sports, which both my husband and I did. I was a swimmer and played water polo, which was pretty rough. And my husband was an excellent soccer player. That's probably our background and still kind of affect our family life because we love sports. Both my husband and I, we do play golf, which we really enjoy it. And, with the fantastic weather here in California. And also our kids, our son picked up golf as well. I entered and actually invested my first real estate deal when I was 23 years old. A couple of years ago, and really enjoy that. My father was an engineer, so I was always fascinated by blueprint and able to draw floor plans. So it really fit the action, or basically making a beautiful home out of a very ugly duckling home. That's how it started. Then people started to asking if I would help them with their real estate needs, and I was like, oh, absolutely. So I did my license, I did the test, and it was very actually fulfillment that to helping others with their real estate needs. When I heard Rudy's speeches on a Craig Proctor program, I was very fascinated about his energy and his dedication and his personality. So I was immediately asking for a tour. When I did that a couple of months ago, I was blown away. This company is a real estate factory. It's not just a regular real estate company. How he built up his team was like it blew my mind away. And I was like, man, if one day I can be part of this or something like this or doing something like this. And all of a sudden, a couple weeks ago, I get invited to an event what Rudy was doing. And that was like the best time in the best place where I could enter, because I knew this is going to be my place where I should work from, and when I should learn even more detailed how to build my own team like Rudy did. He is an extraordinary person, and when you feel that someone is just exactly who you want to be, it is like mentor, or how he talk to people, what is his values, and then that wasn't a question in my mind. This is my place. That's where I has to come back, or actually join the team, which I did, and I'm so grateful for that. That Rudy came up with this idea, build even a bigger team for his own, extending his own team. Coming to Rudy's team visualized my mission or future in front of me. It clears now how to reach those goals, what I would like to achieve in a couple of years, which obviously something similar what Rudy already established here. Now I see myself exactly in that position and literally just have to implement what Rudy's been doing. And the most important thing is this whole group environment, how we help every single client even better than ever imagined before. And I think that is the final and the main concept what absolutely make this company and my involvement hopefully in the future possible.